I noticed on the box that there's no more reset buttons, so I didn't know how to reset it. The previous ones used to come with a reset button, so that's what it mentions here. It says tap, so I'm just going to put this aside. So to reset, what we have to do is, so there's a tap here, 1 2 1 2 1 2. So if we do that twice, it starts to blink in amber, and then it becomes white, which means it's been factory reset for us. So that's the factory reset. Otherwise I wouldn't know, so I just looked it up on the internet and found how to reset that.